Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. 2 years ago, I bought an abandoned off-grid homestead here in the heart of Alaska. We've repaired equipment, built roads, and one of the cabins caught fire. And for the next few months, I'm going to be putting the finishing touches on repairing that burned out cabin, and I'm going to be digging a well so we don't have to haul jugs of water anymore. It's taken a lot of work to get to this point, and I'm really excited to show you. This is it. Let's see if I did my measurements right. There you go. This is much better. Thanksgiving dinner in a bag. It's the best thing ever. Oh my goodness. I've often said that Thanksgiving dinner is one of my favorite meals, and thanks to vacuum sealing technology, I can now eat it all the time. I really do like this. So they've got a drill rod and a metal casing around the drill rod. And they drill down and an air compressor blows the loose dirt out the top. And they shove that drill and the casing down anywhere between 80 to 200 feet until they hit water. Once they've taken that section of drill rod down as far as they can, they screw on a new section and weld on another section of casing over the top of that. That's already looking pretty clean. Doesn't taste bad, not too irony. Then you unplug it and the water just goes back down the hole about 10 feet or so. So it's already winterized.